Those tortilla quadrant fold overs, but I'm gonna make an Italian meatball version, and it is so cool. So I've got a really big tortilla, and watch this page. This is going to amaze you. I just made a slice in the tortilla, but I started halfway and I only made one little cut on half of the circle, if that made any sense. So on one quadrant, I'm gonna spread pesto. So on top of the pesto, can I help you, sir?
He wants some
Can I help
pesto.
You'll have to wait, Duke. So on top of the pesto, I'm putting Parmesan cheese.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Ree, you silly girl. And then the next quadrant, I like to act like this is a math formula. I'm gonna put some spinach, sliced pepperoncinis or banana peppers, and sliced olives. I could go be alone with this little bowl of olives. Get myself into some trouble. And then on the third quadrant, I'm gonna add some marinara sauce. All right. So I'm using frozen meatballs that I took out of the freezer and thawed. And I'll just cover up the marinara with meatballs. I cut them in half just to make them not so bulky. And then for the final quadrant, all it needs is cheese. That's something the quadrant and I have in common. All it needs is cheese. I should have a t-shirt that says that. Okay, so this is what's so cool about this tortilla situation. So watch this page. You're gonna wanna come in here. So you take the first one, fold it over. The Parmesan went everywhere because I added too much. Kind of press it together. And then fold it over the third.
Ooh.
And then, yes, you guessed
Fold
it.
it over again?
Fold it over the cheesy section. And you're left with this amazing wedge, basically. So I'm gonna put this into a skillet with melted butter, and I'm gonna grill it until it's golden and the cheese is melted. Alrighty, let's take a look. You ready?
Ready.
Ooh.
Listen to that sizzle. Okay, I am going to think positively and just assume that this is ready. So basically, those social media types usually will like cut it in half right down the center. And then we will see what kind of trouble we actually got into.
Reveal.
You ready? What does it look like?
Oh my gosh.
Oh man. Wow, amazing. And you know what I love about this is it's perfect for like teenagers or college students, and it's perfect for their parents too. Lad would absolutely devour this. All right, go out and make your own tortilla wrap. Have some fun. Make sure there's beef in it.